Alright, so before we can use most of the features on the Shadow Pineapple, the first thing we need to do is get connected to Wi-Fi. Over on the left-hand side of the interface, you'll see options like Dashboard, Recon, Client, Tracking, Modules, Filters, PineAP, Logging, Reporting, and Networking. Go ahead and click on Networking. Once you're networking, scroll down to Wi-Fi client mode. Click Refresh. Then click Scan to search for available wireless networks. Now, if you don't see a WLAN1 interface listed, you want to verify that your USB Wi-Fi adapter is using a supported chipset. This is important because the Shadow Pineapple relies on the adapter for client mode. You can check this by going into the info page and looking at the ARMON-NG section. Under the driver and chipset information, you should see something similar to MT76x2U, which is a MediaTek chipset for me. If your adapter isn't showing a supported driver for client mode, it may not work. That's basically what will happen. In my setup, I had the best results using an ALFA USB adapter, and I couldn't have it plugged into any kind of adapter to plug in the USB, like a three-way adapter. I had to plug it directly into the Shadow Pineapple. I also ran into a couple of issues connecting to 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi during this setup, so instead I connected to my phone's hotspot using 2.4 gigahertz, and that worked out without any problems. Once you're connected to Wi-Fi, we can install additional modules. Click on Modules, then select Manage Modules. And at the top of the page, click Get Modules. And you'll see a list of available modules that you can install. I wasn't using a micro SD card in my Pineapple, so I just installed modules directly to the device's internal storage. If you're using a micro SD card and you've gotten ALFA to work with an additional adapter, then you can do it that way. Now let's take a quick look at the Recon. Click Recon from the menu. You can scan 2.4 gigahertz, 5 gigahertz, or both. I selected both, then I clicked Start. If the interface prompts you to click Start PineAP, go ahead and click Start Pineapple AP. The scan will begin collecting nearby Wi-Fi information. When you're finished scanning, click Stop. One extra step that catches a lot of people off guard is that your results won't appear automatically. On the right-hand side, under Scan Results, click Load. That loads the scan into the interface so you can actually browse all of the discovered networks below. And that's it. At this point, your Shadow Pineapple is connected to Wi-Fi, and you've got access to install modules, and you know how to perform a view basic recon scan. Go get 'em, kiddo.